Hey guys, today we got a ARE MX series. It's the 07 to 13 Chevy full-size trucks, the Silverados, with the 5.8 bed. Silver in color. It's mid-roof design. It's pretty decent. It's got some minor chips in the paint and stuff, but it's really all not bad. A couple chips right there. A couple on the back side of the door frame there. The top. Couple small chips right there. Really kind of hard to see them actually, but the top and the top edge looks good. No damage that I can see there. Couple very minor chips right there. Bottom edge and the side there under the window looks really good. So does have the half side slider in the side there. Front window is a picture window. This has just some minor chips right there on the edge and there. Couple more right there. Really not too real bad. One up there on the top. The leading edge of some of these sometimes catches road debris. Small paint scratch right there. Bottom edge on this front looks really good. No damage there. Picture window. This side looks really good. Top on the top edge on this side looks good. No major damage on this side either. Small chip there and then down there. Bottom edge on this side looks good. No damage on this bottom edge either. Has the half side sliders on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. Back edge has some scratches, probably some hustling stuff in and out of the door. There, just right in the door work area. Couple up here on the top. There's one right above the third brake light there. Probably slid something across the top or backed into something a little bit. Same thing on this side, right around the door opening area is kind of chipped up from probably from, like I said, handling things in and out of here. Inside is carpeted interior. And it does look like the screens, there's no screens in this, so that's typical if they're using these side windows to access, like a cargo door. Screens could be put in it, looks like. Well, actually, I think they took the whole, yeah, they took the whole screen frame out, so this would be, or it never had screens in it. Carpeted interior. There it is. It was specifically built for a 2012 double cab extra short bed. Silver Ice is the color, 636R, GAN paint code. So it's 2007 to 2013. It is Chevy specific because the rails, bed rails on the Chevys are narrower than the GMCs. You can make a GMC fit a Chevy, but you can't make a Chevy cab fit a GMC. It'll hit down here on the inside edge because, like I said, the GMCs have a wider rail on it. Does look like the back window actually has been replaced with plexiglass. Doesn't look bad. You can't. I didn't realize it till just when I went to close the door. So there it is. 2007 to 2013 Chevy full-size Silverados with the 5.8 extra short bed, silver in color, MX series. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done through that link right there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, we have all this stuff available online as well. Also, if you're looking for something specific and you want to, kind of wait on to see if we get something in, subscribe below to stay up to date on any inventory coming in. We upload stuff as soon as we can. We get it in here and upload it to our website and to YouTube at the same time. Also, with all our truck caps, as with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.